Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna make a slider which has element with animation. It looks something like this. So when we slide the item of slider, the child item of the slider will has an animation, looping animation, something like this, and I think that will be good for a hero section or something else. Anyway, if you are new to watch my video, I recommend you to watch the first series of this video about building a stable slider, which I will use the code that I already made on, so you can see on this video. I recommend you to watch this part of video, since I will not explain more the code on this video. I'm gonna make it fast as possible. Anyway, let's start. I have two slider which I had synchronized each other. This is the result, and oops, oh yeah, I have actually I have not set it to synchronize each other. Anyway, the plan is, the first thing is, let's open our code editor and let's see. I will copy. Oh, alright. Sorry. The first thing is, let's define our carousel ID. This is the last the previous slider which I created on the previous video. So I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna change this name to maybe hero slider, hero slider. Oops, why I always typo. Hero slider ID, and this is the hero carousel ID. So we're gonna find out which ID is our this stable slider. So let's copy this and open console, and let's see. Okay, this is our stable slider element, and this is the element ID, and we're gonna replace this for main hero main. I think I will use main, hero main ID, and hero colors I'm gonna change to hero thumb ID, and let's find out which ID is our thumb slider. Here, and this is our ID. Let's replace it, and then I'm gonna copy this from this line to this. Gonna copy this bricks data split instance, and let's replace this with our actual carousel or slider ID. Hero to my ID, hero to my ID, hero to my ID. Okay, and data sync. Do I have set the data attribute, the data sync hero slider? This should same with our main slider. Here the ID hero slider. So So I think it's good. Oops, something wrong. Let's see, in a console cannot destroy. Okay. Oh yeah, here. I forget to change this. Okay, there is no error, and now it's working as it should be. Okay. The idea is I'm gonna add some animation to heading. Now let's add some entry animation. Let's pick a fade in out there, or yeah, just fade in out. Or maybe I need to add some overlay to the background so we can see the text clearly and better. Overlay, change to yeah, something like this. And let's change the color. So I'm gonna use the color white. And let's test it. First, we're gonna add some entry animation. Fading up, yeah, slow. Yep. Yeah, I can. Let's test this. Okay. So when the item is slide like this. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we already have a problem. Since this animation is, as you see, is entry animation, so when the element is shown on the screen, it will animate the element just once. So we cannot make it loop because there is no setting here. So what we're gonna do is I found this good example how to use Polite JavaScript with AOS animation. The important thing is there is even listening to even here on the splatejs.com documentation, you will see that there is an method to listen to even. So there is mounted, click, move, active, inactive, and if we see on this code, it used to kind of even which one is active and which one is inactive. So if the slide is active, it will find the element which has this class and then add a class name to the element with this class. So I will show you like this. Let's reload first. Okay. Alright. See if you see on this element h1. Why don't use h1 on the slider? Let's put h2 or something else. Because the slider has multiple items and we should not have a multiple h1 on one page, on single page. So let's see. On the element which has entry animation enabled, it will have it will has a class name which is a brx animated animation duration, which is I set slow, so the class name is animation duration slow. And this is the type of the animation, which is the animate fade in up. It's same on the setting. And if we see on the second slider, the second item, the second slide, which has not been slide, you will see that this element has data attribute, data animation fading up, and then the class name which is somehow same with this element which has animate, so we are gonna okay, let's slide. See the h2, now the element h2, the data attribute now is removed, or it's removed. So let's see, I'm gonna slide it to this slide. There's that animation, it will remove. Okay, see. So we are gonna make if this slider, if this item already slide all, the animation will not run again, since it's only run once. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the same data attribute. I'm gonna if we slide it, we're gonna add a data attribute, data animation, I'm sorry, so we can make it loop forever. The animation will runs looping multiple times, because if we don't have a data animation attribute, the animation, the entry animation will only run once. Let's see on the split. What I'm gonna do is I'm just copy this split on active, split on inactive. Where do I put? I think this, the split. Let's see, let's split, use split. Let's split now, use a const main. Okay, this is our name for initialize the slider. So I'm gonna change this to split on, gonna change this to main on, change this to main on. If the slide is active, query selector hero title. So let's see our heading, and let's add some classes. Hero heading, where I put it? Okay, here, hero heading. Hero heading. So if the slide is active, the item of slider is active, it will find our heading, and then it will add a class. But we need to change this first. The active, the heading, and okay, I think what I'm really need is we need to add only data attribute, to our inactive item slider. So remove element, set attribute, set attribute. What is that? Data animation. Oops, it's wrong. Let's reload. Data animation, fade in up. Okay. Data animation, and then fade in up. The value of the data animation is fade in up. All right, and main on, inactive, main sync. Oh yeah, I'm gonna remove this. All right, let's see. Okay, let's see. This is the active slide. Here is the active slide, and the next is the inactive slide. For right now, it has a data animation fading up. If I slide, and then this element with a heading to element, the data attribute is now removed. But if I slide again, okay, the data animation now is added again. Okay, and let's scroll down and let's scroll left, but it's still not working. Why? Let's see. Data animation fading up. bricksbuilder animate color white. Let me take a look at my code. Okay. Here. Let's see. Let's refresh again and see whether there is something wrong with our class name or data attribute. Here is the active, the child of active slide. Hero heading, brx animated, animation duration, fade in up. Okay. We have the brx animate fade in up for the active slide, but for inactive slide we don't have that class. So when I move this, brxa animate fade in up. Yeah. Let's see. brxa animate fade in up for active slide, but inactive slide should not has this class name. There is no class name brxa animate fade in up here, so we need to remove this class name. Yeah, I think we should remove the class name. So we're gonna borrow code from here. Element class list remove So what the class name we should remove? I forget. Oh yeah, brxa animate fade in up. brxa animate and only one. Okay, and let's see. Okay, this is the active slide and this is the inactive slide. Fading up. Okay, so this class name should be removed when I slide. brxa animate fading up. Okay, cool. I think this will. Oops. 1 2 and we have something wrong again. Let's see. Hero heading. Okay, what's the difference between the active slide and inactive slide? Again, let's see. Let's reload, and this is active slide. It has that animation. It has brxa animated animation duration slow. Alright, so the let's put this. Okay, so this is the inactive, and yeah, and this is the active. Yeah, I think it's active. Yep. Okay, let's see what's the difference. Heading color white, hero heading, barracks animated, animation duration slow. Inactive, we should remove this. On inactive, we should remove this class name. Okay, data animation. On the active, on the active slide, this is ours init, ours animate. Let's see, I'm not sure, but I think I should add this class name. So when the slide active, I think I should add this class name, and let's refresh. Okay, it's slide again, it's slide again. Okay, okay, okay. Oi. Yeah, no, it's working. I think. I don't know why it's working. Why I should add this class name to the active slide? Is it that because the JavaScript cannot initialize by itself? It run once, and then they will not add this class again after that. So we need to add by ourselves using this script. Maybe the explanation may be like that, but I could be wrong. So if you have another explanation, please share with me and share with the people who watch this video on the comment box below. And if we already works on this heading, how about we put element like button Heading div flex row. No, don't flex row. Flex call. And then no, I think it's flex row. Flex row. Yeah, flex call. Just alien center, and maybe I need to add some button here, and the flag, display flags, and call gap or just gap. Yeah, I can call gap. Call gap maybe 8. Yep, something like this, and we're gonna add some style. Where is that? Entry animation. Left. Let's make it fade in left. Fade. Where is fade in left? Fade. Fade in down. Fade in left. Fade in right. For this, so it should be fade in right. I don't know, maybe it's good or not. Let's try. I forget to animate duration. Slow. Okay. 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 Yeah. Now we need to add specific class name to this button. Let's say button hero button left, and for this hero button right. Okay. Okay, and let's make our JavaScript main on active slide selector hero heading, and so we need to copy 2 times cons element btn left, btn right. Slide query selector is hero btn left, and this is for the button right, hero btn btn Indonesian say btn btn, yeah, btn right. And then we're gonna add some class. We're gonna change this since our animation is different. So let's see. Animate. Where is the button here? Fade in left, brx animate fade in left. Hero left, brx animate fade in left, and for our right button, brx animate fade in right. Yep, something like this. And then we need to remove, need to copy 2 times element btn left, yeah, slide query selector hero btn left, and remove brx animate fade, and then yeah, we need to remove brx animate fade in left, and cons element oh yeah, sorry forgot, I need to change this here. Yeah, change the element to element better and right. Yep, something like this. Yep, remove brx animate fade in left, data animation fade in left, and let's see data animation. It's the data attribute for the button left. So this is the first slide, and we will see the next slide. It has a data animation fade in left. So data animation set attribute data animation fade in left, yeah. And then cons element change to better and right. I think element better and right, bt and right, element bt and right. Yeah, I think hero heading change to our button class name, hero bt and right, and let's see, BR fade in off, fade in up, brxa animate fade in right, and then data animation that here, yeah, this is the second button, this is the second button of the second slide, which is in active slide. It has a data animation fade in right, so fade in right, yeah, something like this maybe. Let's try it. All right, second slide, the third slide, fourth slide, fifth slide, and then it's looping back to the first slide. Okay, let's slide it. Okay, all right. Yep, I think this is how it's done. Maybe we can yeah, I think this has covered all the important things. Anyway, how about I'm gonna customize this slider a little bit, but I think it's only minor adjustment. So if you already see this video, you can skip from now, since I'm just gonna do some little styling. There is no related to JavaScript after this. I'm gonna put this slider. Yeah, I forget. If you see this, this is so big. I wanna make this thumbnail inside this main slider. Can we do that? Slider main, slider item, slider item main. Slider item. How about I put this and then make this absolute? No, I need to wrap it. A why A, it should be like here, up, up, and then here, and slider main, slider, this is slider thumbnail, and we need to make it absolute, pause absolute, and then let's just add some bottom here, slider main, but if I do this, this will be, oh no, yeah, this won't, this div will not be part of the item, right? I don't know, let's see, div, pause absolute, and make it 0 on bottom, and I need to pause relative. Oh, nothing changed. Wait a minute. I think I should see on the front end. Where my thumbnail slider gone? Hey, div, split track. Yeah, I thought so. I guess so. This thumbnail slider become part of the main slider slide item. So what should I do to put this on the bottom of the main slider? Slide main. I think I should wrap this to up, something like this, and then move one level up. Yep, and then let's put relative position. It's already there. It's already there. Let's make it a little smaller. Item to show for. Div, I can limit the width to 4 pixel. Nope. Can I? Nope. Yeah, that's good. Man, that's good. Slide mine. Slide. Okay, let's see on the front end, because I cannot see the console. Oh, this is looking good. Yeah. But this button kind of stupid, too big. But I will let it for now. Should I make it center? Div absolute is part of div. Display flex, and then justify center. Justify between. Oh no, not working. Let's see. I should do this. Split track. display flex, justify content center. Here I should do this, and justify center, justify. No, it should not put here, but it should here. Just justify. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's scroll down. I wanna see on the mobile. It look like really stupid. The heading is so small, but the button is bigger than a hero title. I mean, whatever. I will style it later. Okay, I think it's done. All done. As usual, if you have any question, suggestion, and critique about the content of my video, please comment. Please write on the comment box down below. Yeah, I guess so. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. See you. Bye bye.